Are almost good to go. Just give me 2 seconds, guys. I want to get this live stream going. So this way, once we get started, we could just rock and roll and get everything going. So it looks like the live stream is good to go. Okay. I think if you guys can check, I'm going to put this in the chat box. If anybody needs to get on that, guys, please push this out into the telegrams, get everybody on that. If they are not allowed to enter the room, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, I think we're ready. Okay, guys, so we're going to get this thing kicked off now. And here we go. All right, guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome, welcome. Ali Saleh here. And on today's webinar, guys, we have a major, major update for Zeus. I'm super, super excited for all of you amazing people being on this call, guys. Again, make sure we get this link out, okay? I'm going to go ahead and put this in the Telegram as well. So this way we can get this link out there so people can watch the live stream because the Zoom is maxed out. Happy Sunday. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I want to go ahead and just give you guys a huge shout out. If you could let me know in the chat box, okay, where you're calling in from, guys. Let me see this chat box, okay? I want to see where you guys are calling in from. We got Slovakia in the house, Texas. We have literally everywhere in the world: Croatia, Slovakia, Turkmenistan, Turkey, Trinidad and Tobago, Cameroon, Hungary. I can't even keep up. Look at all those Turkish flags. Let's go. Wisconsin, Germany, Czech Republic. Amazing, amazing, amazing. We got Team Royals in the house. Toronto, South Africa, Croatia, Portugal, Scotland, Nigeria. Amazing, guys. You guys are making me so happy and blessed and grateful that all of you amazing people are here today. And I'm really, really excited that we have a chance to kind of connect on here. Guys, what an incredible month it's been so far. Amazing March, guys. March Madness was incredible. Guys, drop the word March in the chat box if you completed all 4 rounds of March Madness. I want to see who has literally enrolled 10 people this month, got themselves a free membership for a year. So many incredible things. Let's go. 50K chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 4 rounds completed. That's it. Only 2 people beat March. Okay, we got a few more people, all 4 rounds done. Let's go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Amazing, amazing. So many people are personally messaging me saying that they passed all the rounds for March Madness, which is absolutely incredible. And for my co-host, guys, please let people in as they come through the room as well. We are maxed out live on Facebook. So, all right, guys. So basically, I want to go ahead and just also say Eid Mubarak to anybody who's celebrating around the world. Congratulations on completing an amazing month of Ramadan. And for everyone celebrating any holidays right now, I know we got Mother's Day happening in the UK right now. So super grateful to all the moms around the world for just being so incredible to all of us. And, without our mothers, guys, none of us would be here. So again, happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there in the UK. Thank you for all the things that you guys do. So guys, let's get this webinar kicked off. And I'm excited about this call because, a story about me is I actually got started my trading journey in cryptocurrencies. It's my first baby. It's what got me into the financial markets. And I believe it's one of the most effective ways to, really become a profitable trader. And again, guys, past profits do not depict future results. Anything you hear on this webinar today is not designed to be financial advice. Always do your own research, invest at your own risk, and understand dynamically that, you can and will lose money in the financial markets. But this is a market that actually got me started in trading. And I'm really excited that, we have this amazing partnership with Zeus Trader that's going to completely take the industry by storm. And, when you look at what we've done over the last year, with Tap to Trade being over a year old, we have so many people who have passed challenge accounts. I was talking to Josh Swagel the other day, and he said that TradeX in one day, TradeX Mastery paid out over $80,000 to Akashx customers, guys. Drop an 80K in the chat box if that's exciting, okay? Over 80,000 USD was paid out to Akashx members because of our dynamic and powerful technology with Tap to Trade, our amazing live session educators who are hopping on every single day, providing value, money-making sessions, and all of our amazing signal providers who are providing trade ideas that you can follow to turn a profit in the financial market. So all of this is huge. And I'm just here to tell you that nobody else in the industry despite what you might see on social media, is duplicating our process. Nobody can go pound for pound, band for band with what we've created here inside of Akashx, and it's all because of our amazing and powerful founders, Josh and Jenna Zweigel. Guys, give it up in the chat box for these two incredible founders and owners who have made this entire My Daily Choice ecosystem a possibility for us. And we're not just a one-trick pony, guys. We don't just do trading and investing in crypto. We do health and wellness products. We do retreats. We do so many different things. We do travel. And that's what makes us so unique. And that's what's going to make us the most powerful, most successful, and fastest growing network marketing company in the industry over the next decade. So I'm super excited that a year ago, I decided to plant my flag in this incredible company, because this company is going to completely change the industry and change the entire world. And I truly believe with the impact that we're creating together as a family and together as a unit is something that nobody can compete with and nobody can duplicate. And I'm super grateful that all of us have an opportunity to do this together. And I'm very, very blessed and honored that we can do this. So, guys, switching gears here, let's talk a little bit about today's webinar, guys. I want you to make sure every single person go ahead and put your phone on do not disturb. Okay, y'all? We want to make sure that we have that DND button pressed, all right? That we're on do not disturb, because I want you to receive the information that you're about to receive today. The information you're about to receive today is very, very powerful information that's going to make every single person on this call even more grateful that you've decided to partner with Akashx, okay? That you've decided to make something incredible happen within this ecosystem. And I'm just excited that I'm here as a part of it. And it's such an honor because we have incredible leaders in this company like Robert Hollis, Jefferson Santos, John Haremsa, Jenna Zweigel, and so many other people who've laid out the red carpet and the foundation for us to be able to be here and do this. So I'm inherently grateful to every single person who's part of this. And without you guys, none of this would be possible. So I want everybody to do me a favor, okay? I want everybody to go into that chat box and I want you to write the word Zeus. I want you to go ahead and type in Zeus in the chat box and light this thing up, because today's webinar is really to talk a little bit about what's to come. And you're going to be hearing from, the founder and CEO of this company. You're also going to be hearing from our crypto trader, Armin Tabrizi, as well, which I think is going to blow everyone's minds for what's to come with Zeus. So I want to see that chat box lit up with Zeus. And I want everybody to take out their phones and record the chat box lighting up with the word Zeus, because the world needs to know that what we're doing here is take over. We're not here to participate. We're here to dominate. And one thing I learned in my career is you should always be where you're celebrated and not tolerated. And every single day, our founders and our leaders are working tirelessly and diligently to elevate you, to celebrate you, and to give you everything you need for you to be a profitable trader and to build massive organizations. So guys, enough of this stuff. I'm going to go ahead and bring up our first speaker, which is our founder and CEO. And honestly, guys, I don't have the words to describe what it's like to work with this man. But from the moment I came into this company a year ago, it's literally about to be a year in a couple weeks. And it's just been an incredible journey. This is the most peace I've had in the industry. Some of you guys might know my story and some of the other, experiences I may have had in the industry. But when I came here, I was on the verge of walking away from this industry. And that's honest to God. I was not sure what I was going to do. But after, Maddie stayed persistent with me for a year, and after having the opportunity to, meet Josh Zweigel, build a relationship with him, and, meet guys like Joey Wilson, who I absolutely adore, and all of the incredible leaders here, I knew that this was a place for me to plant my flag. And I'm so grateful that I did, because I look back a year from now and my life is in such an incredible place. And it's because of this opportunity. It's because of this ownership. And because that this opportunity has looked after me so much, that's why I'm so obsessed with the growth of this company and why I'm so obsessed with every single person who comes here to have an amazing experience. So guys, I'm just humbled, I'm honored, and I'm so excited that we're all here together under one roof, united. We don't have any of that crazy division and the drama that other companies have. Every single leader here is together under one roof. And that's why this year, all of our tours are called, and our events, our corporate events, our conventions are called Unite, which if you haven't bought your tickets, you 100% need to buy your tickets for the Road to Unite events, because Unite conventions are going to completely change the entire trajectory of your life. So guys, join me by bringing up our next speaker. And like I said, this is our founder and CEO of our incredible company. He's one of the hardest working people in any room that he walks into, but I'm just so honored that we all get to work with him. So please do me a favor, guys. Light it up in the chat box with the word CEO. Let's bring up our great and powerful CEO, guys. I want this chat box to break. I want Josh to feel your energy through this Zoom. And let's go ahead and bring up the great and powerful, our founder and CEO, Joshua Zwagel. My brother, the floor is yours. Take over.
I'm here. Ollie, can you hear me okay?
Loud and clear, brother. Looking like $1,000,000.
Sounds good. Well, first off, I just want to welcome all of you guys. I've been just sitting here listening to Ali, watching the chat box and seeing people from all over the world, Europe, Latin America, Africa, the US, India, just so many amazing countries and so many amazing people on this call today. So it's a pleasure to be here, guys. And I just got a couple updates that I'm going to share. I was talking to a couple of the top leaders, and we just decided, hey, let's throw this call together. And I think you guys will be pretty excited with some of the news that I'm going to share with you guys. So first off, let's just quickly talk about March Madness. March Madness is going incredibly well. I'm very pleased with the results so far, and giving away free memberships, free challenges, and watching all of the leaders complete rounds 1, 2, 3, and 4 has been really cool to watch. So I'm very pleased with the results, and I will say that it's not over until it's over. So we're in the final days of March Madness, and even though rounds 1, 2, 3, and 4 are gone, which you could still complete them, but what I mean is we're kind of in the final days, final round for round 5, which is the top 10 on the leaderboard, and there are high stakes for those top 10 positions on the leaderboard. So now would be an amazing time, if you're looking at the leaderboard and you see somebody that's 500 points away from you or 1,000 points ahead of you, you could go sell a couple annual memberships or a handful of monthly memberships and work your way to the top, because the number one prize on that top 10 in round 5 is a 200K funded account through TradeX Mastery. There's cash bonuses. So tomorrow's the last day of the month to close out the month for rank, but it's also the last day of March Madness, so it's the perfect time to get serious, reach out to any contacts that have maybe been on the fence or people you were afraid to reach out to throughout the month. Do all of your follow-ups. If you've got a prospect list, a team chat, or a social media group where you do prospecting, or an ATM group or anything like that, tomorrow would be the day, to get serious and start reaching out. I mean, I look at it like, we're doing a service for a lot of people. Like when I, just watching in the chat, when people are saying 80K, it is incredible to watch the results that people are getting with the Akashx platform. I've never seen before in the trade. I've been a software provider. I provided software for one of the largest trading companies in our industry. And, I've watched some of the other companies and competitors out there. I've never seen a product where people are just getting incredible results, from the live sessions to tap to trade to the scanners to the resources. And that's just a testament to the leadership that we have and the amazing educators that we have on board. So let's make sure as a team that we finish the month strong. We go out there tomorrow and we put everything on the line. We get as many annuals, as many monthly memberships in, and we were definitely going to celebrate everybody who completed rounds 1 through 4, but also the top 10, to close out the promotion. So that's number one. Number two that I wanted to talk about was just some quick updates on Zeus. So obviously, last webinar, I
Hey,
did a
Josh,
screen share showing people a crypto.
you're a little choppy, bro.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see me? Can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm outside in nature, so maybe the service isn't as good. Um, so on our last webinar, we talked a little bit about the Zeus platform. It's a cryptocurrency exchange where you can do spot trading, derivatives trading, and there's also just wallets as well. So anybody who wants to just hold crypto can do that through the platform. We're going to use it as a payment option where we're going to pay MDC commissions in cryptocurrency to people who have a Zeus wallet set up. And one of the things that we also showed on the last webinar was crypto copy trading. So there is a copy trading component of it. It's different than tap to trade. It's more like subscribing to a crypto trader. And I'm personally very excited about this for a few reasons because number one, I started trading crypto. I, got hooked up with Armin, started taking his trades. I put 100K into crypto.com, started, you know, grabbing some of the coins that Armin was calling out. And very quickly, I doubled my portfolio in like a 90-day period. But over the last, 7 to 8 months, as these different opportunities have come up with crypto, I've taken advantage of some of them because of the knowledge that I've gained from the educators attending, different sessions. But if I had crypto copy trading, I would take it to a whole new level. And it kind of is, it's like similar to tap to trade. I love leveraging the experts. If there's an expert that's a great educator that knows how to trade gold, I'm going to follow that educator. Or if somebody's really good at crypto, I'm going to follow that educator. Like, I don't want to sit there and stare at the charts all day. I want to be, outside in nature. I want to be with my kids. I want to be traveling. I want to be building the business. And that's not for everybody. Some people love to sit there and stare at the charts all day, but I want to just copy Armin or copy, some of the trades that come through on tap to trade. So I'm very excited about the Zeus platform. We're probably 2 to 3 weeks away from being able to get that platform live. I would say mid to late April. It'll be live. There's like 2 or 3 features that I know the IT team over there is working on finishing before they can push the platform live. And then on the last webinar, we talked too about the gold membership, which I'm also excited about because a lot of leaders have been asking to have some type of incentive or trip that everybody can go on together and include that into a package for leaders to sell. And so I think it's a great idea throwing a cruise onto that membership. And then we thought another great incentive would be giving people access to the crypto copy trading platform if they buy that gold membership. But I made a decision a few nights ago, and I think it's a smart idea, and I'm pretty excited about it. So here's what we're going to do. We're getting, in, like I said, 2, 3 weeks. It'll go live sometime in April. And what we're going to do is we want to make sure that we take care of all of the leaders and customers that have previously purchased an annual membership, whether that was at $14.99, whether it was at $9.99, whatever price was paid for, because we did different promotions and things like that. If somebody has an active annual membership prior to April 1st, okay, so if you've previously bought a $9.99 or you've previously bought a $14.99, okay, prior to April 1st, we're going to give you access to the Zeus crypto copy trading platform. We don't want to penalize people who, have membership. So that's one of the big announcements I wanted to share is if you've already purchased an annual membership, as soon as the platform goes live, you'll get access to it. You don't have to pay anything extra. There's no monthly fees. There's no setup fees. There's no enrollment fees. You're just going to get access, and then you'll be able to subscribe to Armin or any of the other crypto traders that are on the platform. So what that means is tomorrow is the last day to take advantage of that, because after April 1st, it will be, the gold membership only. Or if people, there may be a package that people could pay for that's specifically for, but after April 1st, it's going to be one of those two, either the gold membership or a specific purchase for the crypto copy trading. So tomorrow is the last day. Today and tomorrow, you can use that as leverage to get more people in at $9.99 or $14.99, knowing that they're going to be getting access to the crypto copy trading, knowing that you're closing out March Madness to create a lot of volume so you can get in those top 10. And so that was one of the big updates that I wanted to share with you guys. And then I've got just a couple more things, and then I'll pass it back to Ali. So another thing I want to share is, prior to doing Akashx, My Daily Choice has been around. We've been around for 10 plus years. We got our start with physical products, started with sprays. Then we added HempWorks with CBD. We added a bunch of physical products before we ever got into digital. And the brand that really blew us up as a company was called HempWorks. We became really the CBD kings and queens of the industry, and we were selling more CBD in a day than most brands were selling in an entire year. And we created the CBD revolution. It was like the green rush was created through 4 years of hard work, going state to state, sharing, doing education, doing presentations, and a lot of the leaders that have been in the company, they knew what that was like, and the products that really blew up the company during that time were three products. One of them was a 750 milligram natural CBD tincture. And this was an amazing product that you could use for pain and for all kinds of health issues that they were dealing with. And the results and the the testimonials were just insane. The next was the same product, but it was a peppermint flavor, and then we had one more which was a cinnamon flavor. Those three core products is what blew the brand up. And then during the CBD explosion, unfortunately, the farm that we were using went bankrupt and went out of business, and we had to switch vendors to a slightly different formula, a similar formula but slightly different. And that hurt for us because it was the product that created the brand. It was a product that created the momentum and was the catalyst for so much growth. And anyway, over years ago. But over the last 4 or 5 months, we've been trying to bring that product back to life by going back to the original vendors, by finding the exact hemp seed oil that was used, by finding the exact formulas, the exact machines that were used to make those products. This company, this farm, they had their whole facility burned down in a fire. It was like all over the news in Kentucky. And so we've had guys go out and try to look at the exact equipment, and we've taken our time to bring these products back. And tomorrow these products are coming, these three products for the first time ever are coming back to My Daily Choice and to HempWorks tomorrow. But here's the thing, we've taken it a little bit step further. We've even improved the products prior to what they even were before, because we got a certified organic certification, which is very difficult to get on CBD products. So these products are coming back tomorrow. They're going to be certified organic, and I'm really excited for that to come back into the company. And so if you're in the United States, even if you're promoting Akashx and Akashx is your thing, these products are amazing for staying grounded, for staying clear-minded. They're just absolutely over million customers that have purchased these products. So we look at a cost, it's like we got 10, 20K people, but we had over 1 million people buying these CBD products, and now they're finally back. And so tomorrow they'll be going live in the US, and then in 8 to 10 days, somewhere in that time frame, they'll be available in the European market. So all 27 countries in the European Union will be able to start purchasing them too. Last thing I want to share is just about brand bucks, because there's a couple important things. So I just told you about the products that are coming tomorrow. Then we talked a little bit about the $14.99 or the $9.90 to those, and have people get access to the crypto copy trading. So think about this. We go into tomorrow. It's the last day of the month. We all want to close out rank. We all want to drive as much volume as possible. So how do we accomplish all, right? Strategy. I think personally the strategy should be, okay, if I'm a leader, I'm trying to build my group, I'm trying to leverage the promote. I think number one, we should go after everybody in our organization that hasn't purchased an annual membership yet and get them to upgrade to the annual membership. That's number one. The reason I would try to get them to upgrade is, one, I'm getting 500 volume plus that the extra volume is split over the next 6 months. So I'm getting, as a leader, 6 months of residual income by promoting the annual pack. But I'm also getting people early access into the crypto copy trading as well. So that's the first thing I would do. I would also go after all the prospects that are on the fence, all the people that I've been talking to throughout the whole month, and try to get them on board with the annual. The next thing I would also do is promote brand bucks. I would promote brand bucks either $1.99, $3.99, or $7.99 of brand bucks for a few reasons. Number one, with brand bucks, they're going to be able to buy the hot products that are dropping tomorrow, but also later in the month, after our Sedona event that we're doing, we are going to have the first ever Akashx and Hempworks collab product. It's called Obsidian Stardust, and I'm really excited for that product. I think it's going to be amazing. We posted a reel on social media. Ali said, "This is my dog. This is my dog, Layla." Um, so $7.99 brand bucks, $3.99 brand bucks, $1.99 brand bucks. You want your team to load up on brand bucks. And I was talking to some of the leaders about this. If somebody's already purchased a $14.99 annual membership, more volume that you can, like, you can't create any more volume with digital trying to talk with those customers or talk with those leaders. But if you leverage brand bucks, you can. And this is the perfect time to do it, with products dropping tomorrow, the Hempworks Akashx Obsidian product dropping later in the month of April. And then another thing is all the events. We're probably the only company in the industry that pays people to promote events. I don't know if you know that, but when you sell $7.99 a brand bucks and you create 500 points and you make a $200 commission, and that person goes out and buys 2 convention tickets with their brand bucks, you just got paid to promote for somebody to come to an event. There's no company that's paying people to. It's kind of like, almost like a loophole in my daily choice because of brand bucks. But yeah, you can promote brand bucks, and people can use that for the upcoming Florida event, the Rome convention that we just announced, the Atlanta convention, the Akashx tour that's coming. And so people can use their money for brand bucks. They can save it, use it for any of these amazing products that are dropping as well. So guys, I'm really excited. I think it's a perfect time to close the month out strong, promote the $14.99, get your team locked in on brand bucks, try the new the new OG Hempworks products that are coming back tomorrow, and let's have an amazing month. Let's roll into April strong. We also have 420, which is always an exciting time in the cannabis and CBD community within our company. So if you want to take advantage of some great deals next month, you'll be able to as well. But I'm also fired up about Zeus and getting the crypto copy trading live. I think, now's the perfect time to get into crypto with, I look at, Bitcoin at 85,000. I read an article on Forbes this morning that said that the target for 2025 for Bitcoin is still 165,000 a coin. And, you got to buy these dips, so I'm loading up on crypto. I think it's perfect timing, and I think we're going to have a huge 2025 in the crypto market. So with that said, I love all of you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Let's crush it tomorrow. And Ali, I'm going to turn it back over to you.
Thank you so much, Josh. I appreciate you guys. Laid it up in the chat box, and we'll do a recap of basically everything Josh went over today as well, so you guys can fully understand what it is. But before we, kind of take up too much more time here, I want to bring up our next speaker to talk a little bit more about, in detail about what you'll get with the Zeus trader, what you'll have access to, the different strategies that are going to be there. This is the most important part, I think, of the entire Zeus ecosystem, is understanding exactly what's going to be happening. So I will say that the next person I'm going to bring up here, I've known him for about 3 years now. I've watched his journey. I've seen him, in the global ranks of traders, ranked top 3 in the world multiple times. I've watched it happen. And, you know, I watched his journey. He's an incredible educator. He's an amazing trader. You know, he's helped me grow a big bag as well. That same list that Josh was talking about, where he, you know, tripled his bag, I took that same list as well. And I remember exactly, he sent me the list. I bought the 10 cryptos. The next month, I got another list. I'm very happy I made those plays because, you know, I've tripled my account from taking those trades. But now, just to be able to kind of, you know, work in lockstep with this educator and know that every single trade that he takes, I'm going to be involved in, it makes me really excited because I'm a very busy person. And look, for some people, it's very hard to, you know, sit down and learn technical analysis and things of that nature. And if you've never hopped on any of his trading sessions, I highly recommend you do. But I'm going to bring up our next speaker. Again, he's an incredible person, amazing leader. He's a 50K affiliate, almost 100K affiliate, but he's also our top crypto educator here. And he's created multiple 6 and 7 figure traders that I've seen. I've seen them with my own eyes. I've seen their trading accounts. And I'm super excited because we get to go back out to Toronto on the 26th of this of April, and we're going to be doing a, you know, almost 1,000 seater over there in Toronto. So I'm really excited to get out there with Armin and Andre and all the guys and girls in their team and really just take this thing to a new level. So I'm super excited. So guys, do me a favor, without further ado, light it up in the chat box for our next speaker, Mr. Armin T. Guys, light it up. Type the word Armin, Armin, Armin in the chat box to welcome our next speaker. Guys, he's going to break down everything Zeus Trader for you, the different strategies you'll have access to, and why it's so important for you to get an annual membership ASAP before the month ends, and why you need to make sure that your prospects are getting this annual membership as well. So Armin, my brother, the floor is yours.
Hello, my friends. Hello. Can you guys see me well? Can you guys see me 4K? Are we good? Perfect. My brother Ali, thank you so much. And you know, one thing I want to tell you guys is the biggest reason I partnered up with this company was because I knew that the CEO is on the field. And that was the most important thing for me. Understand? Because when we came up with this crypto idea and copy trading and automation, this, that, it couldn't have been me and Ali just doing it. It couldn't have been just the educators doing it. The CEO came in the space. We got on a call and he said, you know what? Anything to make the company better, I'm in for it. I'm down to spend money. Let's do it. Okay. So I want to give a huge thanks and I want to let him know that I appreciate him. Mr. Josh, thank you, bro. And Ali, you know, Ali has his own space in my heart. He's like an older brother to me now. So him and me, we have a different relationship right now. So here's what I'm going to do, my friends. I see the Turkmenistan flags. I see the Turkish team. It's going to be a takeover. You have no idea. If you guys have not seen the Turkish team yet, you guys are going to hear from them. But anyways, so I'm going to make it super simple for you guys today. Okay. I'm going to make it super simple. Now, you all know what I do is crypto. You all know my side. And we all know there's crypto trading, there's buy and hold and all that. And I understand that sometimes it gets confusing. Trust me, I do. Because y'all are used to Forex, now come to crypto, do this, do that, percentages, leverage, futures, spot. It is confusing and I get it. So before I show you guys what we have done and what we are about to bring on, I want to show you guys this month's results in crypto so far. So from March 1st to today. Okay. And even our designers made a, you know, nice little sick flyer. Y'all like the flyer? It looks sick, no? I like it. I just wanted to show this on the skull. Good? You like it? Perfect. But, you know, the thing is, 23 wins and 3 losses when Bitcoin is dropping, I will take that any day. Any day, my friends. Okay? So, let me put this in perspective, though. Okay? Because you see 23 wins, 3 losses. I mean, what does this mean? Here's what this means, my friends. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a chart just so you understand what we do. Okay. And one example just to understand what we do. Now, this trade we took on Cody USDT, this asset, whatever, the price was here. It went all the way up to here. Perfect. Simple math. I see the price went up. Amazing. Now, in crypto, you all know we work with what? With percentages, not with pips, not with points, with percentages. So this trade was up how many percent? You guys let me know. Because I want you guys to understand this with me now. Okay. Was up how much? 40%. Okay. So let's put this in perspective. If I had $100, trade on spot wallet, which is normal wallet, you just putting $100 in this trade. Because there's people in the waiting room, it keeps putting me in. Okay. This would have now been what? 40%, right? Now, what's 40% on $100, my friends? What is 40% on $100? That's $40, right? Perfect. That's $40. I can't. $40 profit, right? Now, this is you taking the trade on a spot wallet, normal. You just buy this, hold this, you're good. Now, for those who don't know what leverage trading is, do you guys know what futures trading is? Drop a 1 in the chat. If you guys don't, drop a 2 in the chat. And don't worry, I'm going to quickly explain this. You guys don't know what futures trading is. Perfect. So, futures trading, my friends, is this. You get to take these positions on what we call a leverage trade. Okay? So the broker lets you leverage trade. All right? Now, unlike Forex, your leverage here is not high, is low. So what I do, you can choose different leverages, but we take trades on 10x, leverage. Okay? Now, on 10x leverage, my friends, this is what this means. This means whatever percentage you make will be 10x. So if you had $100 and now you made 40% on 10x, you just 10x it. That's $400. Now, obviously, with this comes a tight stop loss. And guess what? We do have those. All right. So this is basically putting in perspective what leverage trading is. Now, whatever percentage you see, times it by 10, that's your leverage results. So if this says 4, it's 40%. If this says 10, that's 100% return. Okay? On whatever money you risked. Nice. Now, here's the deal. Let me know. I want to know one thing. Let me know if you have not taken a trade like this, if this seems too hard for this, and if this seems complicated a little bit, and it seems like it's going to take you time to learn. Drop a 1 if you guys think this is still complicated and this will be a headache to deal with. Okay. So, how about this? How about this? All these trades that we sent, right? All these 25%, 30%, 9%, 8%, 13%, 40%, 20%. What if all these trades were automated? And I've asked you guys this before. What if all these trades were automated? Meaning, my friends, don't confuse this. This is not tap to trade. You don't have to tap. Armin automatically takes care of the account. All you do is you set up your account, you say copy, and once you open copy trading, you're good to go until you stop. Okay. Now, obviously, there is 3. This is the most important part of the call, and you guys need to listen to this. You all know there's spot wallet, there's futures wallet, there's low risk, high risk, yes? So from January 1st till today, from January 1st till now, we have been backtesting a strategy. We've been running different strategies, my friends. Okay? Now, listen to this carefully. There is going to be three different strategies for you to be able to copy. Three different strategies. Now, the first one, my friends, the first one is going to be the beta strategy. Okay? Now, people are like, Armin, what is beta strategy? This. Let me actually open a thing just so you guys can see the results too we made. And I'm also going to drop the track record of this as well for you guys so you guys can market it, see it, whatever. Now, this is our beta strategy this month, in the last 90 days. Okay? Now, I'm going to drop these in our chats as well, just so you guys have a visual of it and you guys can market this as well. So the beta strategy, my friends, from January 1st to March 30th, which is today. And these are only spot wallets. So my friends, this is not leverage trading. This is not leverage trading. This is low risk. Now, beta is low risk. It's like for investors. Understand? The spot wallet, which is the beta strategy, has done 31 trades, 4 losses, and 89% winning rate. Now, this is on spot. This is your low risk. Okay? Now, if this is a beta strategy, what do you guys think the leverage strategy should be called? If this is a beta strategy, man. Alpha. Exactly. So, we run an alpha strategy, and let me tell you guys what alpha strategy is. Alpha strategy is every single single trade I sent on the app in leverage trading in the last 90 days. So we ran this on the automation, and it's 52 wins, 6 losses, about 90% winning rate. This is on futures trading. All right? This is on futures trading. This is the 10x ones. Okay? This is a little bit spicy now. This is risky. This is like trading on steroids. Understand? So that's that. Now, we also have a third strategy called the VIP strategy. Okay. Now, this is super important because VIP strategy is designed to take low cap markets, low cap assets. And you know those assets that go from 10 cents to $1? 9x, 10x, those assets. Now, imagine taking those trades, but in leverage. Now, imagine taking a 500% move, but on leverage. So that's like a 5,000% move. Understand? Now, this VIP strategy is super risky. Number one. But number two, the reward is accordingly. And we've tested in a couple accounts, and I'll show you guys the results. You guys are going to see the track record and the results once we go live. And I'll just tell you guys, it over quadrupled the account in the last 90 days. Okay? So 3 strategies: beta, alpha, and the VIP strategy. Okay? So are we so far clear on these 3 strategies? Is this too complicated, or it makes sense right now? تمام مش کنم؟ Clear. Perfect. So here's the thing, my friends. Obviously, what's going to happen? We've already talked about this. We will not have no profit shares in these strategies. We are not going to have, give us $1,000 to get in strategies. None of those. Anyone who's an Akashx member, will have access to these strategies. However, to have access to your VIP strategy, you will need to have an alpha and a beta strategy set up. To run a VIP strategy, you will need an alpha strategy and a beta strategy set up. So you unlock the VIP strategy. However, we all know March Madness is happening. Drop a 1 if you're pushing for March Madness. Drop a 1 if you want to be on that top 10. You're pushing. All my affiliates, let me know. Because this one is for you guys. Trust me. Yeah? Okay. So, how about we do this? If you have a yearly membership, my friends, congratulations. You guys are good. If you already have a yearly membership, you guys are good. If not, you will still have access to alpha and beta strategy. However, we want to give a group of individuals, we want to give about 200 to 300 people a head start. Okay? We want to give some people a head start. And obviously, these people cannot be people, these people need to be committed people, right? I understand if I'm running this strategy, I put my time, blood, sweat, and tears on this. These need to be committed individuals. Okay? So, if you have a yearly membership, you're good to go. If not, any new yearly membership, any new enrollment from now till tomorrow night, 12 p.m. PST, PTS or PST? PST. Okay. Will have access to all three strategies as soon as the crypto automation launches. On top of that, any yearly members we have are good to go. If you upgrade from today, from now till tomorrow night, you get access to all three strategies. And guess what? All strategies will have minimum deposits, but all our yearly members will have the minimum deposit required. Okay? One enrollment, one yearly enrollment, or you upgrading. It's either or. It's either or. Because here's my plan. I want to start a group, get them to see huge success in crypto, and run an even bigger strategy. How cool would that be? Okay. So my friends, do we understand what we're up against? Are we all good? Are we clean? Before I give it back to Ali. Before I do that, are you guys excited? Are you guys actually excited? Because I'm super pumped. And trust me, there's a lot of things I cannot show you guys. I wish I could. Okay, but the company will terminate me. So I need to calm down. All right. So what's the minimum deposit? The minimum deposit is going to be $250. And just so you can manage all the trades and so on. So it's not going to be anything big. And there's not going to be no fees, no profit shares, no nothing. Understand? Fees like summer. Exactly. Well, my friends, with that being said, if you can afford how much is monthly
We
fee,
don't know.
there is no.
Yeah, I'll answer that in a second.
Right now, for now, there's nothing. Okay. All right, my friends. With that being said, I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. And I will see you guys on the other side. Peace.
Guys, light it up for Armin. Amazing, bro. Thank you so much for everything you do, man. That was beautifully done. I'm excited. And you know, there's some of Armin's trades that I've missed and I've kicked myself, you know, for it. And you know, now I don't have to worry about that. So I'm very excited. So I want to recap a few things, you know, before we kind of wrap this thing up. So just kind of stay on the call. Now, I want to say, guys, like this partnership with Zeus for us is quite new. We don't exactly know all the small little nuances of like certain things. Okay. So some things might change, some things might not change, some things might stay exactly the way we are. What we know for a fact, 110%, that's in our control, is that as long as someone who is a current member of Akashx or a new member comes in and gets the $14.99 annual pack, okay? I want to address two things on here, so pay very close attention, okay? The $14.99 annual pack, by tomorrow's cutoff of 11:59 p.m. PST, you'll basically be grandfathered into everything Armin talked about, Zeus Trader, all that good stuff, okay? Now, obviously, guys, we have certain markets like Latin America and Africa who are, have access to the 999s still. So that is basically in those markets, the 999 is the 14.99. Okay. So if you're in Latin America or Africa, and I believe there's a few other markets that we're looking to add the 999 to, just like some emerging nations. And basically, if you sell the 999, it's equivalent to the 14.99. Okay. Now, there's a bunch of people who are saying, how can I upgrade? I need help upgrading, things of that nature. Like, I understand, guys, that 14.99 might be a lot of capital for you guys to upgrade. Perhaps this is like the first time you've ever thought about upgrading. I will say, if I was in your position and I truly wanted to upgrade to this package, I know that the commissions on selling an annual package is $200 in my pocket. So I will go and I will try to rank up, sell as many annuals as I possibly can. Hopefully I can spin the wheel and get like 199 brain bucks or 799 brain bucks plus my commissions, and I can somehow miraculously buy the cutoff of 11:59 p.m. PST, put together enough crypto, brand bucks, upfront commissions, and use whatever's in my credit wallet and my brain bucks to actually pay for the membership. Okay. So there's a lot of different ways you guys can do this. You always need to basically put yourself in a position to find the money. So we need to upgrade from the month to annual and deposit to. You don't have to deposit anything right now. You're just basically upgrading to. So also, guys, remember, when you upgrade, you'll also get a 200K challenge account as well. And then you'll also get grandfathered into all the Zeus strategies. Okay. So if you already have an annual, you're good. You're set. Like Armin said, you have nothing to do. This is specifically for yourself. If you don't have an annual, you want to upgrade to one, or if you're trying to, get someone who's on the fence, go to them and say, look, like, we just have this thing where you'll get access to all of Zeus. You'll get access to Zeus by being an annual member. So that'll give you access to Zeus. Here are the results. If you would have taken every trade on the VIP, you would have been up 90% win rate. This is what you'd be looking at. So again, this gives you an opportunity and angles for you to basically put yourself in a position to win. So I want to see, we have one more speaker, guys. I want this guy to talk and kind of close this thing out. So I'm going to make him the co-host, okay? And he's going to basically end this call. So you guys are going to stay on the call with Matthew before we wrap this thing up, guys. He just finished that football practice. But I just want to kind of, put things into perspective, guys. This is a huge opportunity. I'm telling you right now, if you do not at least make yourself an attempt to either upgrade people in your team, upgrade yourself, or get new members on this 14.99 with Zeus, you're missing out on a huge opportunity, right? We've created so many changes to the annual pack for your benefit. For example, now when someone gets an annual membership, you used to only get the volume one time. Now you're getting the volume in your first month, and then months 2 through 6, you're also getting BV month over month, so you can earn a residual income every time you sell an annual, which is crazy. No other company in the world would want to do that. Every company in the world would want to figure out how to take BV away from the field so that they can put money back in their pocket. So I just think that right now we have a golden opportunity for us to win, and I'm super excited for all of this stuff. So guys, we're going to bring up our next speaker. He's going to close this thing out. Like I said in the beginning of the call, okay, guys, that this is, one of my favorite, people in this company, because he's the reason why I was able to kind of, really pull myself out, go back all in this industry. And it's just been an incredible ride, an incredible journey. And I love his leadership. I love everything that we're doing in this company. And, now we're over 10, 12, 15,000 members. And, this company just keeps growing. We keep dynamically changing every day. There's no competition. We're winning day in and day out, paying hundreds of thousands of dollars a month to our field and payouts. And Our educators are doing such an incredible job making sure you guys are looked after. So I'm super excited that I had a chance to partner with this guy, and I love him, you know. So Maddie, take this thing over, explain the importance of the annual, you know, your vision, the future, all the events that are coming up, you know, why you're fired up. Let's get this thing going, bro. I appreciate you. Close this thing out. You're the best, and the floor is yours.
Hey, thank you so much, Ali. Guys, I just got out of football practice, but just talking with the leadership the last couple days about what we wanted to do with Zeus and how we were going to be able to help so many people. We were like, why not just launch the last couple of months for the people that have already gotten the 99 pack, the 14.99 pack? Like, why not we just let them grandfather in? Just because they're first movers, right? They're the people that got started with us, that they took the initiative to be here for a year. And we're like, let's give it to those guys. And then we were like, well, what if we also did for 24 to 48 hours the ability for everybody to upgrade and to be able to catch this wave? And I'm so glad that we have a CEO like Josh that says, you know what, let's do it. I don't care what it costs. I don't care what we got to do. Let's just do it for these guys. And the fact that we're able to partner or pair that with the affiliate side of things, where now that volume, guys, it amortizes, and we get that month after month after month for about 6 months. It's a beautiful thing, and it's got me up at night where I can't even sleep because of the things that we're doing behind the scenes for the customers and for the affiliates. And it's just like where we're at right now, guys, is such a beautiful spot, because the amount of value that the customer gets when they join Akashx is literally second to none. There's not another company in this industry that gives even 1% of what Akashx does. And the fact that we're gonna launch this crypto platform, guys, with people like Armin, I mean, I am kicking myself in the foot every single day. Josh sent us his portfolio about 6 months ago when he started taking, Armin's trades, up over 300, 400%. And I'm just like, that is what I need to do. Guys, I don't know much about crypto. I don't know how to invest in crypto that well, right? And I'm like, you know what? If I can follow people like Armin, though, I'm all in. Because the deal is this: success leaves clues. And to be successful in life, you just got to find people that know exactly what they're doing. And if you can do exactly what they do, you can have a lot of the same exact results that they have. So how great is it that we get to literally just copy what Armin does in the crypto space and see a lot of the same results that he's seen? I'm all in on that. But then not just for me, it's going to be for the entire community of Akashx. It's absolutely mind blowing, guys. So just know that where we are right now is just the start. Now is the time to go out there and, one, upgrade yourself, because you're going to want to take advantage of this. But then, two, start to show everybody that you know. If you truly care about your friends, your family, and your network, if you have people in your life that you actually love, you need to show them what we got going on here. You need to give them this. They need to see what Akashx is. Because with Tap to Trade, with the prop firm guys, with the crypto automation now, there's no way that someone doesn't see success or doesn't level up in life. And, we're going to be going out to Germany here. I leave actually on Thursday. We have an event in Germany. And then I'm going out to Portugal, and then we come back. We have a Canada event, guys. The tour is starting now. So if you're in those markets, get out to these events, guys, so you can actually see what's going on, and you guys can actually get the foundation of where this thing is going. And just being around the fire, being around the environment, because we're gonna absolutely bring everything we have to your guys' markets. And I'm excited to meet a lot of you guys for the very first time. But today was a great call. Make sure to upgrade. Make sure to get locked in, guys. And let's go change the world. It's going to happen one person at a time. And it starts today. It starts right now. So, guys, leave this call. Go show your friends. Go show your family. Go get yourself locked in for the year. Go get yourself a 200K Prop Firm Challenge account. Connect to Armin. And I'll see you guys in the next couple months. So, guys, thank you so much. And
Let's
I'll see you
go.
guys soon.
Guys, light it up in the chat box for Mr. Matty Thayer, aka Matty Pips. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you so much, guys.
You as
Light
well,
it up
bro.
in the chat. Light it up in the chat box. Let's get this thing rocking and rolling. Appreciate you all. Take care. Stay blessed. Catch you on the flip side. And as always, thank you for your time. Later, y'all. Peace.